If Meta AI is distracting you on WhatsApp, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to disable or manage it. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and make sure you're using the latest version of the app. Now, here's something important to know. Currently, there is no official option to completely turn off Meta AI in WhatsApp. However, you can reduce or hide it by following a few simple steps. First, tap on the Meta AI chat or the AI icon inside WhatsApp. Once the chat opens, tap on the AI name at the top, then go to Notifications. Now, select Mute Notifications and choose a long duration like always. This will stop alerts from Meta AI. Next, go back to your chat list, press and hold the Meta AI chat, and tap on Archive or Delete to hide it from your main screen. If the option to turn Meta AI on or off is available in your version, go to the U tab, select Chats, look for the Meta AI option, and then turn it off. And that's it. While you can't fully deactivate Meta AI, these steps will help you minimize its presence on your phone. Thanks for watching.